the harbor seal is one of the most captivating creatures in our planet's oceans, with its incredible adaptability and resilience making it a true marvel of evolutionary ingenuity. As a keystone species, the harbor seal plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of coastal ecosystems, influencing the populations of countless other marine animals and plants. As we dive into the enchanting world of these charismatic creatures, get ready to be swept away by the tidal wave of fascinating stories and insights that await us in the secret lives of harbor seals. Belonging to the family Phocidae, harbor seals are part of the earless seal group, characterized by their streamlined bodies, flippers, and layer of blubber that keeps them warm in chilly waters. Their scientific name, Phoca vitulina, reflects their affinity with other true seals while also highlighting their unique characteristics. One of the most fascinating aspects of harbor seals is their ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats, from rocky shores and sandy beaches to estuaries and mangrove swamps. My expeditions in the field have taken me to the coast of Alaska, where I've observed these remarkable creatures hauled out on ice floes, their fur fluffed up against the cold as they watch the world go by with an air of quiet confidence. In contrast, in the warmer waters of California, I've seen them lounging on sandy beaches, their skin glistening with a layer of moisture that helps to regulate their body temperature. The evolutionary history of harbor seals is a long and complex one, with fossil records indicating that they've remained largely unchanged for millions of years. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of these animals is Dr. Pamela Stacey, a renowned marine biologist who spent years studying the behavior and ecology of harbor seals in the Pacific Northwest. Her work has shed light on the intricate social dynamics of these creatures, including their mating habits, foraging strategies, and interactions with other marine mammals. In terms of significant research findings, one of the most interesting discoveries is the way that harbor seals use their whiskers to detect prey in dark or murky waters. These highly sensitive appendages are capable of detecting even the slightest vibrations in the water, allowing the seals to locate fish and other small animals with remarkable accuracy. I recall a particularly memorable encounter with a harbor seal in the wild, where I watched as it used its whiskers to catch a fish right before my eyes. It was a truly mesmerizing display of adaptability and cunning. They prey on fish and other marine animals that might otherwise become pests, while also serving as a food source for larger predators like orcas and sharks. Additionally, harbor seals help to distribute nutrients through their waste, which can have a fertilizing effect on the surrounding waters. However, their habitat niches are often threatened by human activities such as coastal development, pollution, and climate change, which can alter the delicate balance of these ecosystems. One of the most fascinating aspects of these creatures is their ability to dive to depths of up to 500 feet in search of prey, using their powerful flippers and streamlined bodies to propel themselves through the water with incredible agility. During my expeditions in the field, I've had the privilege of observing harbor seals in action, watching as they use their sensitive whiskers to detect the faint vibrations of fish and other small animals hiding in the sand or beneath rocks. The diet of harbor seals is incredibly diverse, consisting of a wide range of fish species, crustaceans, and even cephalopods like squid and octopus. In the coastal waters of the Pacific Northwest, I've observed them feeding on salmon and herring, while in the Gulf of Alaska, they prey on cod and pollock. This adaptability is crucial to their survival, allowing them to thrive in ecosystems where other predators might struggle to find food. One notable researcher who has contributed significantly to our understanding of harbor seal foraging behavior is Dr. John Francis, a marine biologist who spent years studying the dietary habits of these creatures in the North Atlantic. One of the most significant research findings in recent years is the discovery that harbor seals are capable of using tools to help them forage for food. In some parts of their range, they've been observed using rocks to crack open shells and eat the prey inside. This level of cognitive sophistication is rare in the animal kingdom, and it highlights the remarkable adaptability and intelligence of these creatures. I recall a particularly memorable encounter with a harbor seal in the wild, where I watched as it used a rock to crack open a clamshell. It was a truly astonishing display of problem-solving ability. In the wild, I've observed these creatures gathering in large groups, often on rocky shores or sandy beaches, where they engage in a variety of social interactions. They use a range of vocalizations, including grunts, growls, and high-pitched squeaks, to communicate with each other. These sounds can be heard for miles, echoing across the water as they convey important information about food potential threats or mating opportunities. One fascinating aspect of harbor seal behavior is their ability to recognize individual members of their group. They use a combination of visual and auditory cues, including unique vocalizations and distinctive markings on their fur, to identify one another. In terms of conservation status, harbor seals are currently listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, although their populations are declining in some parts of their range due to habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change. Human interactions, such as entanglement in fishing nets or disturbance of their habitat, also pose significant threats to these animals. Researchers like Dr. Catherine Lefebvre, a marine biologist with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, are working tirelessly to study and protect harbor seal populations, monitoring their numbers and tracking changes in their behavior and habitat use. One ongoing mystery surrounding harbor seals is the impact of climate change on their food supply. As ocean temperatures rise and prey distributions shift, these creatures must adapt quickly to survive. Researchers are studying the effects of climate change on harbor seal diet and foraging behavior, trying to understand how they will cope with these changes in the coming years. For example, a recent study published in the journal Marine Ecology Progress series found that harbor seals in the Gulf of Alaska are shifting their diet towards more deepwater fish species as the ocean warms. In the field, I've observed harbor seals exhibiting remarkable flexibility in their foraging behavior, adjusting their tactics to suit changing environmental conditions. They've been known to follow fishing boats, feeding on discarded catch, and exploiting this unexpected food source. Ongoing research is focused on understanding their social behavior, communication patterns, and ecological relationships, as well as the impacts of human activities on their populations. By studying these animals in their natural habitat, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complex interactions between species and ecosystems, and work towards protecting these incredible creatures for generations to come. In the coastal waters of California, I've had the privilege of observing harbor seals interacting with other marine mammals, such as sea lions and dolphins. These encounters often involve intricate displays of dominance and submission, with each species playing a unique role in the ecosystem. For example, harbor seals have been observed working together with sea lions to hunt fish, using their combined strength and cunning to corral their prey. Their adaptability, intelligence, and social complexity serve as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life on our planet. The harbor seal's ability to thrive in a rapidly changing environment is a testament to the resilience of nature, and it teaches us that even in the face of uncertainty, there is always hope for a brighter future. So let us cherish and protect these incredible creatures, and in doing so, preserve the beauty and wonder of the ocean for generations to come. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.